Myself, Kishore Chaudhary, and I am a developer in the field of IoT along with the Microsoft Azure. At present, I am working in the cloud world technologies, and I am an author in the C Sharp Corner 2. I write a lot of articles based on the Azure and Internet of Things, and a few in the Visual Studio environment. So you can find my articles in there. My profile name will be the same, that is Kishore Chaudhary. So now, in the following article, I am going to speak about getting a new free trial account from the Microsoft Azure. So for that you need to be giving your personal details, but it is for just verification. That is, you will be giving your credit card details and nothing more than that, and you will be given $100 pass for 1 month in which you can make use of the Azure subscription. So here you are giving your credit card details, so you might imagine that they might be charging from you because you have given credit card details, but it is not like that. That is why Azure is called as pay as you go, and there will be no hidden charges. If you want something, then you have to manually configure that you want to get this, and then only they will be charging your money, so that you don't have to fear that when you buy a subscription or when you get a free trial, whereby giving your credit card details they will be charging money. So you don't need to fear about this. You can give your credit card details without any fear. So to do that, click on the Google Chrome, or you can use search. Here my edge is not working properly, so I'm using Google Chrome. So search as Azure free trial, this one. So when you search for this, you'll be getting something like this. So here click on this one, that is azure.microsoft.com, this one, and this is the same thing. I'm clicking on this one. So this will take me to the page of Azure in which they will be providing the free services, that is a free trial account. So here you can see this, when you click on this, the same thing. When you click on this one, you will get the same thing, that is you can get a free trial. So remember, when you want to get a free trial, you cannot make use of an Outlook ID which you have used already for any other Azure subscriptions. So when you want to get a free trial, it is sure that you can have to make use of a new Outlook account. So I'm clicking on this one. This will be taking me to a page in which we will be speaking about giving the details to get an Azure account. When you click on this, it will be asking your email ID and password. So remember, again I am telling you, you have to use some mail ID which have never been used for the Azure services. So I am giving a mail ID as the following thing. Here we go. I have given my email ID and I am going to give my password. Let us sign in for now. So once we sign in, we will be asked to enter our phone number. Just a minute, I think I gave a wrong password. Now let me see whether it gets signed in. This is a problem with me. I have a lot of passwords, so I just confused with them. Now it's logged in. So when we get into this one, we will be asked to enter our phone number. The phone number which we are going to enter in, it will be acting as a verification one. We will be getting an OTP from the Microsoft. Then we have to enter the OTP which we receive. Once we enter the OTP, then we will be asked to enter our credit card credentials. Remember, these credentials are just for our verification, and they will not be charging for us. But if you want, you can manually configure that you need to buy these services, or you want some other extensions. Just if you configure them, then you will be asked something. Now I'm from India and I'm going to give my number, that is 9159428433. So when I click on send text message, I'll be sent. Let me check it down. This text message, it will be received very soon, but sometimes it will take a little delay, but don't worry about it, you will get it. So I got it. It is 140135. So now if I click on verify, this will get a little late, but it get verified. So now I'm giving that's verified. Now it is going to ask me about my credit card and debit card details. So this will take a moment. See, these are the details you're going to give. Here they are asking my address, card number, and etc. So give me a moment. I'll give all my details and I'll show you in the next step, because these are the personal details and it will not be good to share with everyone. So give me a moment. I'll fill these details and I'll come back to you. So here we go. I have given all my details, and once again it has redirected me to the same page, and once again I have asked to enter my phone number as verification. I have did it. So look at this one, it is now verified, and you can read this. Please enter the valid credit card information so that verify your identity. You will not be charged unless you explicitly transaction to be paid offer. So remember, when you explicitly avail that you need some offer, then only you'll be charged, so you don't need to worry about it. And finally, I'm going to click on I agree to the subscription agreement. Just sign up. So this will take a little bit of time because it's going to create a new space for you in the Microsoft Azure, so it will take a little bit time but not much. Nowadays, Azure is providing very fast services when compared to the beginning. Before 2 years, it is like when you go for Azure portal, that is sure that you must have a larger bandwidth, and also it will be taking a huge amount of time. But look at this one, it is great, working a little bit fast. And here this is saying that it's over. Basically it was showing like you will be getting it will be taking 4 minutes of time, but it is over. This is what I'm loving in it, Azure. Now Azure just works like we are working in a local environment, though it works in a remote machine, in a remote place and using the internet. Here the speed of Azure, it is quite different. Now it has been changed, it is working very fastly. So it is over. Now I have created an Outlook account. Using an Outlook account, you have created a free Azure subscription and you have given your card details. But don't worry, you are not going to be charged, but you're given a $100 pass for 1 month. So now I'll click on this, that is get started with your subscription. It will redirect me to my home page. It will take little time because my bandwidth is a bit low. Oh god, just a minute, I'll connect my charger and come back. Yeah, now we are logging to our Azure portal and you can look at this one. So I am having credit of 13,300 rupees in the Indian value. So that means now it is valid for 1 month. So to check this one, let me click on the subscriptions. So when you go there, it will be showing that the amount which you have in your subscription, and at the same time the amount which you can make use of. So remember, this is a 1 month trial pass for 13,300 rupees and it will be getting expired even though if you don't make use of the whole credit within 1 month. This is the first thing. And the second thing is that this amount, it is just a trial pass, and don't fear, again I'm saying don't fear that it is going to charge you since you gave your card details. Hope you like this one. Just do this, create a new Azure account, make use of this 1 month subscription, and you just learn a lot. In the further articles I'll be explaining about creating virtual machines, virtual networks, and load balancers, and also mapping a local domain, and also purchasing custom domains, and etc. So you can find all these even in my C# Corner portal. So just go for the website C# Corner and search for Kishore Chaudhary. You'll be finding someone in the the top rankings list. There you can find my articles, and probably all the articles which I have written will be based on either IoT or Azure, and only a few will be based on these Visual Studio environment, where I will be explaining about the development concepts. And I always go with these Microsoft products because I'm in love with the products of Microsoft. I love the technology they provide us, and hope you will do this and you like this too. So remember, if you get any doubts, don't fear, just make me a call or ping me or just mail me, I can reply you. So my network is a bit slow, that is why it is not getting loaded. Give me a moment, I'll pause the video and I'll continue it again once this gets loaded. Let me see, it is trying to load. Just give me a moment. Yeah, here we go. Here when I click on my subscription, it is showing me two things. One is DreamSpark and then one is free tier. So this DreamSpark which I have created before a few years, and I got a chance to have a DreamSpark account. Now this is a free trial, right? I have used this one. So when I click on this, it will get loaded. So here I can see my billing information and other details. So this account mine will be from 2/5/2017 to 3/4/2017. That is for exactly 1 month. And I have not yet used anything, right? So in the billing overview, it is not showing anything. See, this is the credit remaining, that is 30.3k, the same thing. So here I can see the invoices. If I do some sort of spending, it will be shown in here. And the cost analysis, here you can make an assumption and by the subscription which you want to use, and also the services which you're going to use, and so that you can get an idea about what you're going to spend. And finally, this is the thing. So here you are getting your subscriptions, right? So in this subscription you have this one. So I already have explained in this following article. I'll be speaking about getting a trial account. So this shows you that you can get a trial account just by using your details. Hope you like this one. We'll see you later. And this following email ID is not my ID because My ID is already indulged with the MSDN subscription, and that is why I'm unable to get a free account. That's why I took my friend's mail ID and I used it. So again, I'm coming back to this myself, Kishore Chaudhary, and don't forget to go to C Sharp Corner and check my article so that you'll get an idea. And just see, and if you get any ideas or if you get any doubts, just ping me. And also don't forget to subscribe my page. I'll be posting about posting a lot other videos about this, but in my page for sure I'll be speaking about only the Microsoft technologies, and along with me my another friend will be combining you within a couple of days. His name is Mr. Akshay Rao, and I have only his mail ID in here. So he will be speaking about the Android application developments using Xamarin Android Studio. Hope you like this. Yeah, we'll catch you later. Bye bye.